Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fill your pet's hunger to 100% and even more quickly by just using one plant on Grow a Garden. So you are going to want to grab a plant that is like this size probably. Can I even get the sugar glaze? Hello? Okay. And you're also going to want to get one where there's like a lot of mutations on it as well. I kind of don't want to harvest my grape. Okay, maybe this grape. So as you can see, this grape has the fried and wet mutation, and the size is also big. So you're just going to select a pet to feed, and then you're going to select feed, and as you can see, it fills it up to, well, almost 100%. I think you'll need it to be a little bit bigger than that. Maybe the sugar glaze would do. Like for instance, this one's huge, so let's do that. Let's feed this mochi mouse, and as you can see, it filled it up to 700%, and that's even more than 100%. So again, you're going to get a really big plant fruit, and you're going to want to get one where there's a lot of mutations on it, and you're just going to easily feed your pets hunger percentage. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.